everyone, Tori here with December Daily Day 16. Today I thought that it would be fun to document one of my favorite Christmas songs this year. I normally really like traditional songs, but I am really liking Gwen Stefani's You Make It Feel Like Christmas song this year. I don't know what's wrong with me, but whatever. I'm not even a huge Gwen Stefani fan, but I just really love this song, and I think it's adorable with her and Blake Shelton singing, and I like the lyrics. I don't know, I just really like the song. So I thought it would be fun to document that today. I did want to go with like a red and white theme, so I took my wood veneer 16 and heat embossed it with red glittery embossing powder. So this is the Ruby from Recollections. I just love that color. So I thought it would coordinate and the sparkle would be really nice. I have two photos that I found on the internet. One is of the CD cover, or the album cover, and has the song. And the other one is just a photo of Gwen wrapped up like a present. And then I went through my journaling cards and I found a couple that I thought could possibly work. This one, I believe it comes from Ali Edwards. It's just white and has red polka dots at the bottom. And then I had this one which said Kitchen Dancing, which I really like. This is an older card from Feed Your Crafts and Brandy Kincaid. Because the reason I decided to document this today was because I was in the kitchen singing and dancing in the kitchen to this song. But I'm not crazy about the color of Kitchen Dancing there. That like pink color. I have used that pink color throughout my album, but I really wanted to go with a red and white theme today. So I probably won't use that. I also grabbed out this card, which I can't remember where it came from, but it just had silver foil on it. Again, I'm not sure if I'll use that, but I pulled it out just to see if I wanted to use it. I might use something else too. And then today I have one of these page protectors that is just two 4x6 cards. And I actually think I'm thinking that I might just cut it in half because I don't need all of it. And I know what I want to do tomorrow, I think. And I don't think I need a whole page protector. So I might just cut this and just have the one and then put like something on one side, something on the other side. I haven't really decided, but that's kind of where I'm leaning and where I'm thinking I might go today. So I'll bring you guys along for the ride. As usual, I'll stick you guys on fast forward and everything, and today's video will probably be fairly short, I imagine. But who knows, we'll see. And here we go. So like I said, I wanted to document this song. So I'm going to start by cutting the page protector in half. And I'm going to put the photo of Gwen's photo on the album cover on one side, and then the photo of Gwen on the other side. So the first thing I'm going to do is adhere that album cover down, and I know that I want to use the gold glittery 16 there too. And I kind of just went with my gut today. I felt like if I saw something that I thought looked good, I went with it and I stuck it down and it happened. So I also went through my different resin pieces just to see if there was anything I wanted to use. And I knew that there was a music note that was clear, and I thought that that would look really good. So I did pull that out. I didn't end up using it on the front, but I will end up using it on the back. I thought about adding in some black, but didn't end up going with the black. I also had this really pretty red glittery bow that I was like, oh, that matches the wood veneer that I heat embossed so well. I really wanted to use it, but I wasn't really sure because it's super thick, so I knew it wouldn't go in the page protector. So I thought, you know what, I'll move on, finish working on this, and then I'll come back to the bow and see if it ends up making it onto the layout anywhere. So I decided on the back of this card just to add the some song lyrics. So I grabbed out a white gel pen, and if you're wondering which pen it is, it's the Jelly Roll, like the Sakura Jelly Roll white pen. And I just drew some lines, and then I'm going to add some of the lyrics from the song. And like I said, I'm not like a huge Gwen Stefani fan. Not that there's anything wrong with her or anything, but I'm just not a huge fan. But I just think this song is so adorable. I like the beat, I like the sound, I like the words. I just think it's cute. And I think it's cute that like her and Blake Shelton sing it together. I don't know, I just like it. So I'm like, that's what I'm documenting today. And some days you just have to document like little things like this, even if they seem kind of silly, and probably years from now I'll be like, why did I document that? But I don't know. I just wanted to. So I added the song lyrics there, just writing them out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of those resin pieces just to add a couple of embellishments. And honestly, the whole layout is fairly simple, and I finished it really quickly because I basically just added the song lyrics, added those little resin pieces with my hot glue gun, and that's pretty much it for this layout or spread. But while I'm finishing that up, I want to know from you, or I was wondering, what do you think? Do you like this song? Have you heard it? Were you dancing in the kitchen to it like I was? Or are you just not a fan? I don't know. I'd love to know. You can leave me a comment in the comment box. While I was working on that, I thought it might be cute to use a couple tiny word stickers on here, so I was just looking to see if I had anything. I was looking for maybe something that said like song or singing along, or I don't know, something like that. I always feel like there's a word that I'm looking for and I can never find it. I don't know. Some people like love these tiny word stickers, and I always feel like I can never find what I want. So anyways, I just found one that said love this, and I stuck that down, and there you go. And then I decided to add that glittery bow afterwards, after all, and I stuck it actually like on the page protector to Gwen's head. She had a bow on, but I just added another one. For no other reason than I liked it, and it went with the 16, and it made me happy. And it looks ridiculous, but I love it. So that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check back soon for another December Daily related video. See you soon. Bye.